I hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing a massive Shop MISS-tery haul. So this is all from makeup to like household items, things I'm going to take on my trip with me, things for my car. Literally everything is in this video. Okay, girl. So it was a giant package as well. So if you want to see the products that I got, the things that I was underwhelmed with, the things that I love, definitely keep on watching. Before that, don't forget, if you like Drugstore makeup, go ahead and stick around, subscribe, maybe hit the bell so you're notified whenever I upload. And if you could like the video if you like it, and the video's gonna start right now. Alright guys, so I did do my get ready with me, shop my stash makeup. It was a bunch of travel size makeup, so that video is already up. And yeah, I did use this shadow, the AWA Studio Sunday Afternoon eyeshadow palette in Depresso, along with another little trio, and I love this look. It looks so good. I don't even know where to start, to be honest. There's like a bit of everything. Should we just start with makeup? I think we should. Let's get this out of the way. I did want to do another mystery unbagging. So again, these do come in a see-through bag, which I wish they wouldn't do that, but I'm kind of like trying not to look too hard. But I am going to unbag this soon. So definitely subscribe and stick around so you guys can see what I got in this one. This will be now like my third one. So we're gonna see, did we get good stuff? Did we get like horrible stuff like last time? The last one that I did was with my sister, so that's gonna be linked down below if you want to watch. So fun, such a funny video. But yeah, so I did go ahead and repurchase their mystery box or mystery bag. And if you were wondering, this does retail for $5. All right guys, so I did go ahead and repurchase my AWA Studio Fat Lash Mascara. I'm not gonna open this one up because I think I still have the other one in my collection, but it's just really old. So I just went ahead, bought a backup. I haven't opened this, I just removed the plastic. This is such a good mascara. I really enjoy it. The wand is very similar to that of the Ione mascara that they sell at the 99-cent store and Dollar Tree. However, this formula is just a lot better. So yeah, I did go ahead and repurchase that. And then you'll see, if you follow me, that when I love something from Shop MISS-tery, it's just like constant. I'm always repurchasing over and over. So this unfortunately came kind of damaged, but I did pick up their 9-color Cherry Blossom. Is this, or is that just the name of palette? Yeah, Cherry Blossom palette. So they came out with 4 different styles. This one here in Maruyama, there's a name there in the little flower. This one here, actually one of these shades came kind of like popped out, so it's like moving around in there. But there is the color story. Not sure if you guys are gonna be able to see that. Okay, I'm gonna try not to drop the shadow. There's a look at this palette. Looks so promising, so cute. I'm telling you, that shade. I'm just gonna put like nail glue on the bottom or something, but oh, stunning. We have this one, which I know is gonna be a favorite. This one here is in Sakura season, and this one's definitely like more of the everyday kind of palette. It looks so cute. How stunning is that? And then we have another orangey palette, Himeji. I don't know, I'm just going to show you guys the name. Again, all the names are like in this little flower here. And it looks like an orangey kind of moment as well, but definitely more like toned down. I really like this packaging. And then we have the last one, Sirosiki. I don't know. I like literally just woke up. This one comes with more purple tones in here. Looks so pretty. Oh, we'll definitely have to use this soon. Look at how stunning this color story is. Again, there are the eyeshadow palettes. These are so cute. Love the packaging, love the size, and of course the price. Amazing. I think each palette was like $1. But everything that I'm talking about in today's video is going to be linked down below. I forgot to mention that earlier, but yeah, amazing. So I did pick up all 4. I went ahead and picked up 2 nail polishes. The first one here is the one in Queen Bee. It just looks stunning. You guys know I get into my phase where I just get into all pink everything, so this is going to be perfect. It's like a pastel-y kind of moment. I've actually talked about these before. I really like the formula, especially their like clear formula to set the nails or whatever, to make them, you know, shiny. The clear coat is really good as well. And I also did buy a black one. I don't know if I already own this, but this one here is in Fearless and it looks stunning. Is this black? Yeah, it kind of looks blue in the lighting, but I think I'm gonna use this when I go on my trip, just to kind of like do a little toesies moment, all black, because I do have like gray clothing and stuff that I want to take, so this is gonna work perfectly for that. Yeah, so these are really amazing. If you've been eyeing out the nail polishes, they're really good formula, and they like dry down so fast, and they actually last a while. So yeah, I bought 2 of those. All right, so I have a lot of Oki products, which is their official key items products on the Shamise website. So I think I'm gonna keep the Oki stuff at the end because it's such a big, it's a large amount of stuff from them. So we're just going to go ahead and talk about everything in between. I did go ahead and pick up the A+ brush cleaner. This is an antibacterial spray, and this one is the cucumber scent. So I have my fan on. If you hear that, I don't know what's going on with it, it's like making noises, but again, this is the cucumber scent. I believe I used one up from Shamise already, so this is again really good. It smells good. If you just want to like spot clean your brushes, this is a really good product, and it smells really good. So I really wanted to try out a different scent, and again, this one just looks really cute. This product is also from the A+ line, and everything from the A+ I think is like $155. I bought their microfiber no drip wrist bands. So I think I heard Juicy Jazz talking about something like this, where you kind of put it on your arms or like your wrist, and then when you're washing your face and all of that, the water just gets caught on that little cloth, and it doesn't like run down your whole arm. So I thought that was really cool, and they added them on the Shamise website, so I thought, why not? Let's try it out. It says it prevents your arms from getting wet during skincare. It says it is a premium quality microfiber cloth. So I just got mine in this like gray color, and then you do get like some instructions and stuff on the back. I bought these 2 headbands. They're so cute. This one is more of a beaded kind of moment, like a pearl moment. It's so cute. You guys know I've been into my hairbands, and I could definitely use this right now, but this one here is so cute. This is like a chain. I could definitely throw this on right now. No, I'll save it for video. These are so cute, and they actually came in a set together. So again, I'll have everything linked down below, but how cute are these? And I thought the set was just so adorable. I could not pass up on these, especially because if you see something on the Shamise website, if you don't grab it in the moment, you might not find it later on. So these are so cute. I actually own another one of these. I wanted to try out a different scent. This is a Studio nail polish remover pads, and these are so cute. These are the jasmine scented ones, and it comes with 30 pads in here. Basically it comes with little like pads that are soaked in nail polish remover. Kind of use them to remove your nail polish. Honestly, I don't love it for that. I really like to go in after like filing my nails down, when I'm gonna put press on nails on, and then I just kind of throw some of this on just to kind of bring back the color of my nail. That's what I use it for. I don't really like them for actually removing the nail polish. It just takes too long. You need to use too many of these little pads to get the job done. So I really wanted to try out a different scent and see maybe these work better. And then I forgot, I bought another hairband, and this one here is in a lilac shade. How stunning is this? It is one of their knotted moments. I did talk about these. I don't remember what video it was, but it was a Shamise video. And I talked about their headbands. I think it was like must-have products from Shamise. I'll have a link down below. And their knotted headbands are definitely it. So cute. Again, this is more purple. I think we're ready to get into Oki, okay? So we're gonna start off with some repurchases. I have 3 of their Oki hand sanitizers, and these are just their antibacterial gels. I'm telling you, my fan is like wanting to be loud right now. I don't know why, but it's like I like having my fan on when I'm filming. So yeah, if you hear that, that's what's going on. But I like repurchasing this, especially if you're going to be going to a theme park, if you're going to be going on a trip or whatever it is, you always need these on hand. So I went ahead and picked up 3 of the lemon ones. I really like these because they just have like a fresh smell to them. So yeah, I went ahead and picked up 3, and I'm not going to unwrap them just yet because, as you can see, they do come with like a plastic wrapper. Sometimes these tend to leak when they're in storage, so I just kind of keep them, the little plastic on, so that way it doesn't get all over the place. Again, I bought 3 of those. I bought their Oki ceramic toothbrush stand. So I do have some different one of these, but I use them for like pen holders and stuff. You know what? I could have used that for my toothbrush. anyway, I did pick this up, and it's like in a beautiful like blue jade kind of shade. I don't know, but there's a look at that. And I just need a new moment like to put my toothbrush, so I went ahead and picked this up. And it's kind of like a paperweight kind of weight to it. It's really nice, so I went ahead and picked this up. I went ahead and picked up one of their vinyl stickers. Girl, these are like baby size. I thought they were gonna be like medium, that's why I didn't pick up too many. This is the vinyl sticker. It says it's glossy weatherproof finish, and it's $1, and it's so cute. Look at that. It says radiate positivity, and look at how tiny this is. It's so small. I honestly wasn't expecting that, but it's cute. I picked up 2 of their air fresheners. I heard someone talking about these, and they said they weren't that great. I just want them for aesthetic reasons, and I'm also gonna be doing a little project with my car soon, just like cleaning it completely out, reorganizing everything in my car. So I thought, why not throw in a couple of cute air fresheners. So we have their apple scent, which comes in a sunflower kind of moment, and then we have this one here, which is so cute, and this one is the lavender scent. So we'll see how these work. And then the back gives you some instructions as well. These are kind of like gross, but I just want to try them out. Why not? So they added some detox foot patches. So basically you throw them on the backside or like the underside of your foot, and it's just meant to like extract all the bad stuff that's there. I don't know. It says it irritates, eliminates impurities, improves blood circulation, reduces stress and fatigue, refreshes the body, and improves energy. So I think, why not? They come with 2 pieces, and it says 6 to 8 hours of detox therapy. So I just want to try these out and see my thoughts. I also went ahead and picked up 2 more of the Oki toilet seat covers. I just mentioned them in a video. I think it was like random products that are very useful to me kind of moment. I'll have that down below. And it's just basically household items that I use all the time that I didn't think I needed. So I did mention these in there. I couldn't find them. I ended up finding them later on, but I went ahead and repurchased them as well. I just really like these, and it comes with 20 covers in here. And again, I will be going on a trip, so these are going to come such in handy, or so in handy. I don't know. And I'm also going to throw it in my car as well. You just never know when you're going to need these. You can never get too many masks. I buy these all the time just to have in my car in case I like forget my mask. That still happens to me. I don't know how. But yeah, I went ahead and I went ahead and bought their one size face mask. So again, these are just like emergency kind of moments, and you do get 10 in here. And I believe this pack retails for like $5 or something on the website, and you get quite a lot in here, and it just again comes in handy. I picked up this moment. This is just their mesh loofah, and it's in this gray kind of moment. It's so cute, and not sure how much this was, but I just needed a new one, so I went ahead and purchased a gray one. Another restroom kind of item, I bought this product, and this is just for your soap. So this is their double layer drying tray. Oh, I was gonna use it for my soap. Oh my gosh, I didn't even notice that. But supposedly it's like a drying rack for your sponges. Oh, so you can remove that inner portion. Okay. It's good. It says helps drain and dry soap and sponges, so it should be good. I think I'm gonna just use it in my restroom as like a soap holder, and it matches my little ceramic thing really well. So super cute, and it is blue. I also bought the Oki 3D sleeping mask. This was $1. I've been having trouble sleeping, so I thought, why not throw this in, and I could definitely take it with me on my trip. It looks so cute. It was $1. I just wanted to try it out. I've never had an eye mask really, like I don't really use those, but if it'll help me sleep, why not? I don't know why I bought these. I bought some Oki plush slippers in this like gray tone. I may give this away to my sister. I just bought some new ones from TJ Maxx. They were like $6. They're fluffy and pink, and so cute. And they also have, or maybe I'll just keep them as like a backup. But yeah, those are so cute. Those were like $6. And then I bought these for some reason in the moment I needed new ones, but I completely forgot about them, to be honest. But I did go ahead and buy their, oh gosh, I always say dear. Why? Their plush slipper. Next things are gonna be like for my car and my purse. I bought their Oki poop bags and dispensers. for my dogs, okay? Just in case I decide to take them to the park or whatever, I have this on hand in my car just in case, you never know. And it does come with a refill, which is so cool, so convenient. And yeah, so I'm just gonna throw this in my car, and whenever I need it, I'll just like pop it out and use it. Some more like products. I bought a bunch of things again for my car, so I went ahead and purchased 2 of their washable reusable lint rollers. So these are basically like very sticky lint rollers, as you know, as they are, but this one is one that you can wash, so it's really convenient. There's a name there, and it looks like that. You bring it out of the packaging, and that's how it looks. And I did remove the little tape. Yeah, it's like really sticky. So basically my thoughts with this product is that I can use it for like dog hair or cat hair or whatever kind of hairs in my car, and then I could just wash it and reuse it. I love that fact. So I went ahead and purchased one for my car, as well as a mini one for my bag and my purse, because you know there's always lint everywhere, especially before work. I always like to wear like black pants and stuff, so sometimes my dog's hair gets all over it. And yeah, this is just really convenient. So this is again from Oki, and it's just the mini version. And again, I just removed the little plastic, but there's a look at that, and it's just like the roller, same thing. Both of them are in the brown shade. It also comes in a blue, I believe. Yeah, so convenient, definitely need it. And last product is the squeegee. I've been meaning to pick this up and I keep forgetting, but I finally picked it up. Why not? Sometimes in the morning time, my like my whole window is like all misty because you know the nighttime and whatever, so it's just really convenient to have this. I'm about to like poke my eye with it, but this was $188 on the Shamas website, and it actually looks really sturdy, so I can't wait to use this. I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed filming this video today. Everything that I talked about, the names of the prices, are going to be down below, as well as any videos I mentioned throughout this video or videos that I uploaded last week. Don't forget to upload 3 times a week on Tuesday, Thursday, and Sundays. If you could stick around, that would be amazing. I have my Insta handle and TikTok on the screen. You could definitely go follow me there. I post a lot of makeup finds from drugstore to high end, so if that interests you, go ahead and follow me there. And it'd be so amazing if you could like and subscribe. Of course, you don't have to. You're your own person and make your own decisions, but it wouldn't hurt to give this video a like, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.